Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video where I made a bunch of S's um, in a fancy font. And I actually stated in the video that you probably wouldn't want to do it for a bunch of letters, but you could do it for a word. And I picked the word epilogue just because I'm a little partial to them. But I'm going to take it and I brought in a text, which is Baskerville. I made it a hairline. I took out the fill. And then I'm just going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour at 0.06 and hit apply. Now you could play around with this, make it a little thinner, make it a little thicker. And that's one thing I like about the contour tool. So we'll do this one a little bit different than the first one. And then we're going to fill this in. We're going to take our smart fill tool and we're going to fill in these parts. And it looks really good because what it does, it doesn't fill in where your contour was. So there's your whole new way to make a new font. And anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.